do you play Fun Run 3? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version with unlimited resources, no jailbreaker computer needed. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super awesome. This actually works pretty well, guys, so keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. This totally updated method. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super cool, guys, and this is fully working. So as you can see in the Fun Run 3, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version onto your device. So what you need to do, guys, is go over to this website, HexMods. Once you're here, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Fun Run 3. As you can see, guys, it says Fun Run 3 mod, so press on that, press download button, and you're all set. So be sure to go ahead and try this out, guys. I'll see you in another video. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. Totally working method to get the Fun Run 3 mod. So if you go to the search bar and type in Fun Run 3, you can see it is super expensive, which is why I do not encourage you guys to spend any money on this game. So as you can see, guys, here's the game. When we go to in-app purchases, you can see wild, bro. So yeah, if you want to get everything for free, guys, just go ahead and go to HexMods, and you're going to be all set. So be sure to go ahead and try this out, guys. It's super insane. This actually works, guys. So all you have to do is go to the search bar and just type in Fun Run 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super insane. This actually works pretty well. I didn't have to jailbreak my device, as you guys saw, so I was able to be cool and trendy. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. It's super awesome, guys. As you can see, I'm super rich, so be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, because I know all you guys want to be legends in the Fun Run 3. So be sure to go ahead and get the word out, guys, because this is super cool. It's totally updated method, and it's updated and all that, so it should work for you guys if you follow all the steps. So just go ahead and go over to this hexmods.com, guys, and you're going to be all good to go, bro. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, this is super cool, as you can see. So try it out for yourself, get the word out. This is super awesome. Totally working method. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel, and peace out, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and have fun with the tutorial, bro.